Welcome aboard the elevator. We're going to be traveling up at 10 miles an hour for approximately 41 seconds up to the observation deck, where you'll be up at a height of 520 feet out of the Space Needle's total height of 605 feet. That's 184 meters or 60 stories. The Space Needle was built back in 1962 to be the centerpiece for the World's Fair that year, which was held all below and around us on what's now the Seattle Center. The theme of the fair was imagining life in the futuristic 21st century, and here we are now. Up top, there will be 2 levels, indoor and outdoor observation.
Well, here we are at the top. The rotating glass floors around the corner down the stairs. That's where we got the elevator back down.
There's another building, I can't see where it is. It's called the Smith Tower. It used to be the tallest, and it's really beautiful. It's really cool because they have a. I went to a wedding of it. It's a really white, really kind of cool frame.
Starting in Venice. Yeah. We're going down to Greece.